Hey guys, so for today's video I did this blue and green smoky eye. I really wanted to play with colors and actually focus on the blending and the transition between one shade to the next. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there and click that little bell button to be notified whenever I post. Also, check out my social media while you're down there. I do post frequently on Instagram, and I also like doing makeup tutorials on Snapchat, so if you like that, please go add me. I will leave it right here so you can just take a picture, add me on Snap. And if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows and primed my lids off camera, and yes, I am wearing a shirt. So I want to do a blue and green smoky eye, but I really want to focus on the transitions from one color to the next, so cross my fingers, it's gonna be good. So first palette I'm gonna use is the NYX Ultra Brights palette, and I'm gonna start off with these two yellow shades. I'm using a Morphe M511 brush, and I'm using this as my transition shade, working it into my crease. Next, I'm going to go into the Morphe 39A palette. First shade I'm going to take is this lime green shade. So I really want to work in sections, working with each shadow separately and like precisely. So I'm going to take this little brush. This is from Millie Cosmetics. It's just a really small tapered brush. Next, I'm going to take this darker green shade. I'm going to use the exact same brush, and I'm just going to start deepening out my crease, keeping it lower than the other green I put down. Now I'm going to take this dark blue shade, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid and then start blending it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shiny blue, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. And then on the outer corner, I'm going to mix this blue, the one that I packed all over my lid, and with a little bit of black just to deepen out everything. For lashes, I'm going to use the little lashes in the style Mykonos. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera, and then I'll be right back. So now I'm going to start on my face. I'm not worrying too much about the end over here. Once I finish my face and I do my bottom eyeshadow, I'll just blend it to all go together. For primer, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in light 4.5. For concealer, I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. For powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Blush Palette. For contour, I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso. For highlight, I'm going to use the ABH Amarizi highlights. So now for lips, I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Whirl. Then for lipstick, I'm going to apply the Estee Lauder Pure Color and Me lipstick in Insatiable Ivory. Then over top, I'm going to apply the Christian Siriano lip gloss in Dandelion. It's like a pretty pale nude. So that was the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Snapchat? I don't know what I'm saying. The highlight though? Amarizi highlight. Okay.